Yep. And then we got an optional line coming up. Easier line on the right, harder line on the left. Nice footage, dude. I tucked in right behind you. Fun, fun. That'll be good. Coming up on a bridge. Yeah, buddy. Nice. That'll happen. Okay, bear off left for the greening trail. You're taking that pretty fast, dude. Yeah, really. It looks... Hi. No, no, it's okay. It's not busy, so no worries. I think there's a split line up here. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Nice. Yeah, I like the lift, dude. That was sweet. Split that thing. Oh, okay, okay, good to know. All right. Yeah, buddy, nice. All right. Okay. I remember you talking about that.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
That was it.